Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to remove favorite spotlights on Snapchat. Well, it is a very simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your Snapchat on your phone. So after opening the Snapchat, what you're going to do is go to your profile, for which tap on the profile icon on the top left corner right here. And then here you can see your profile is now opened. Now if you scroll down, then you will be able to see your spotlight, favorites and reposts. In order to delete it, simply just tap on view all, and then here you can see these are the favorite spotlights. Simply just tap on it and individually unlike the spotlight, and that is the way to remove favorite spotlights. Here you can see I am first of all tapping on the first video, and in here you can see the like option is red right now. Simply just tap on the heart icon and then remove it from your favorites, just like this. Now I'm going to go back and do the same thing to the another spotlight that I have in the favorites. Here you can see I'm going to tap on the second spotlight and then tap on the heart icon and then remove it from the favorites. And that is it. Now go back and then you can see there are no any favorite spotlight on your Snapchat. And just like this, you can remove favorite spotlights on Snapchat. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.